Hello, everybody. This is Jerry DeMaio from mortgage-zoom.com and Family First Funding. And the topic for today is the weekly mortgage rate update for August the 26th, 2022. But first, I'm going to ask, please subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to like this video. And so, another shaky week for mortgages this week. So, what does that mean for you? Let's go to the videotape. So, as we look at mortgage rates, so remember on this graph, the highest points on the graph are the best rates, and the lowest points on the graph are the worst rates. So make sure you remember that. So back in August 1st, we had some of the best rates we've had in a long time. If you see this purple line and you see this red line and you see this green line, these are this is the 100-day average. So rates were better than the 100-day average back on August 1st. And as you see, they've gone up and down a little bit, up and down a little bit, but basically staying in a range. We're staying between the 50-day average and the 100-day average the whole time. And then last Monday, rates started to get worse. And that continued on to this week, and rates continued to get worse. And Wednesday, we saw some of the worst rates we've seen in over a couple months. Yesterday, rates improved a little, and then we come back down a little today. So you see a lot of up and down. What does this mean for you? Let's talk about that. So what this means for you is if you're looking for a 30-year fixed mortgage, right now you're probably in the mid to high 5%, probably edging on the higher 5.625, 5.75. Now, that's as high as we've been since we went over 6% back in June. But listen, we are really been trading in a range of somewhere between 4.75 and 5.75, 5.875 for the last month and a half. What do I think? Do I think things are going to get better quickly? No, I think we'll see some up and I think we'll see some down, but it looks like we're going to stay in this range for some time. It really going to catch the headlines, the economic headlines, how the jobs report goes, how the inflation numbers go, how that goes. That's going to drive where mortgage rates are going to be in the short term. So, if you want to know some strategies on how to get the best rate for you and your family, if you want to talk about adjustable rate mortgages as a way to save money, if you want to hear about buying down your rate, which right now buying down your rate is less expensive than it's ever been. For example, typically you can, for 1 point, which is 1% of your loan amount, you can buy down your rate 0.25%. Today, we're seeing 1 point can actually get you 0.5% lower in rate. So lots of clients are choosing that option to keep their rates lower, keep their payment more affordable. Sometimes instead of putting 10% down, the client may put 5% down and use the extra money to buy their rate lower. There are options out there to keep your payments more affordable. If you want to schedule your one-on-one appointment with me, what you're going to do is you're going to go to www.mortgage-zoom.com, and I'm going to share the screen again for you, and you're going to get something that looks like this. And all you need to do is scroll down and go on and schedule an appointment. And you pick the date and time. It'll give you the times I still have available on these particular days and schedule your appointment. It's really simple. You just follow along, put some information. Um, and our appointment is going to look something a lot like this, unless you prefer a phone appointment. Well, we're going to do an appointment on Zoom so we can be face to face, so I can share the screen, so I can show you what's happening in the market today. Now, I'm going to bring this out. So, Family First Funding is part of the state of New Jersey $10,000 grant program. So if you want to see if you're eligible for that program, please, again, that's a $10,000 grant program for only New Jersey, for only first time home buyers. You may be eligible for this. It's not that hard to qualify. So how do you find out? Again, go to www.mortgage-zoom.com. You go to my Family First website and you could schedule a live one-on-one appointment with me. And by the time we're off the phone, I can let you know if you qualify or not. So it's real easy. So again, thank you again for joining. I'd like to thank everybody. Thank you for all the support. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to like this video. Have a great day, everybody. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.